So now that I've shown you how to make my birria de res, let's make something else much tastier too. Let's make some birria grilled cheese with consomme. First you want to get 2 slices of sourdough, toast them very well. Add 2 slices of provolone cheese right when it comes out to the toaster. To that you want to also add, to your liking, any amount of Oaxaca cheese, once again on both sides, like so. And next you want to grab a nice amount of birria de res, place it right in the center of one of the slices. You sandwich your bread together, and on low heat you put some butter in your pan and you start to broil your bread. This is where you don't want to rush the process. You want it slow and low, so you want both sides to be crispy. And while your grilled cheese is working, you can chop some onions and cilantro for your consomme. After a few minutes, you flip it, and there you have it. It's nice and crispy. That's what you're looking for. Nice and golden brown. Consomme is bubbling away. Flip it again. That's what you want your grilled cheese to be, nice and golden brown. So at that point, we're ready, and let's serve it up. Get yourself a nice hot consomme. Top it off with some onions and cilantro. And basically, that's your final product. Birria grilled cheese with some nice hot consomme. Great for these cold nights. And don't forget that ice cold Modelo, because all time it's Modelo time. There you have it, folks. Birria grilled cheese, ice cold Modelo, and hot piping consomme. Great for dunking. You'll never go hungry with this combination, and you'll never miss grilled cheese and tomato soup. This is the combo you want. Try it out sometime and listen for the crunch. Take a listen. Dunk it and wait for the crunch. Here we go. Nice. Have fun. Ciao.